My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, beard tips, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you've come to the right place. However, today's not any of those. Today is an unboxing and first impression from a company, Bluegrass Hive and Honey. Now, they sent me this out free of charge to test out and review for you guys. So I thought, since I don't know what's in here, let's go ahead and do an unboxing, excuse me. So let's get into it and see what we got. Let's see what we got in here. But I like their packaging. Let's start with that while I got the box. So you got their stamp on all four sides and the top. Back here you got the shipping label. So let's see what we got. All bubble wrapped. All sealed up in here. Okay. So that's what we got. All right, so thanks, enjoy, and good luck with the channel. So we got that. We got a koozie. Bluegrass Hive and Honey koozie. We've got spicy beard oil, spicy beard balm. Got a little shake in there. We got our koozie. We got in here. We got a little bag. And mint julep beard oil. We'll get in these and see what they smell like. And the matching balm. No rattle on that one. And we got us a pretty cool t-shirt. This thing is comfortable. This thing is soft. So, all right, let's get into, and it comes in with this little shreds. So let's get into this oil. All right, so let's start with the ingredients on spicy on the oil. Apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, organic clove, ripe orange, and peppermint essential oils. 100% all natural ingredients and handcrafted in Lexington, Kentucky. This appears to be a water and oil resistant label. I love that. It's bright, stands out, looks really cool. So let's get this thing. A little shake. So 1 ounce amber glass dropper top. Kind of a little bit of a yellow. That smells good. That's kind of a, I can't tell what all I'm picking up. It smells pretty complex. I get some, it smells like some honey. And a little bit of that orange, but not a whole lot. I get that clove too, but it smells really complex. That smells good. I'm interested to see how it smells in beard. So let's check out the balm. If we can get into it. It comes in a screw top, 2 ounce screw top tin. Pretty much the same. I get a little bit of carrier in there, but just in can. But it smells really good. That oil smells awesome. All right, so the mint julep oil, 100% all natural ingredients, apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, organic spearmint, essential oils, and natural fragrance. Where's our little tab to pull? This stuff works good to keep things from leaking, but it's a pain to get into sometimes. All right, same thing, 1 ounce amber glass dropper top bottle. Pretty clear oil. Oh man, that smells good. You get that spearmint right up front. It's strong, but it's not, it don't smell so strong that I wouldn't wear it. That smells good. All right, so there's the oil. Let's see if we can get into this balm. I think we're gonna need the knife. All right, so again, 2 ounce screw top container, and I got it upside down. This one looks a little wider. And I get a little bit of that spearmint. I get some carrier in there. But I get that spearmint kind of on the back side. I get that carrier kind of up front. So I'm interested to get this in beard, see how it does and how it performs, how it smells once it's in beard. All right guys, so I'll be dropping a review of all 4 of these products when I get them tested. I'll test them for a week each, and I will drop a review for them. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.